What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and we back with another video. Now, this video is different because, one, I don't really review quote-unquote basketball sneakers. Obviously, Jordans and all this is really basketball sneakers, quote, but this isn't that official basketball sneaker. So based off the title, based off the thumbnail, you might look at it like, what the hell is this? Maybe this might get views because people's like, oh, I know that shoe. But to me, I never heard of this shoe. Obviously, if I got it, it's for resale purposes only. If you're new here, yes, I resell. So if you need any shoes that you see on my channel, my previous videos, if you watch, I have shoes for sale. So you can hit me up, clothes for sale, whatever you want. Just gotta let me know, obviously your size and color and whatever you want. But if you're new here as well, comment. I respond to all comments, any questions, whatever. And subscribe to this channel as well as subscribe to my other channel, and as follow me on Instagram as well. Instagram will be right here, so go follow me on there and go show some love to all my posts. And no further ado, let's get right into it. And yeah, let's get it. Alright, so off rip, I do have my phone because I don't know what these are called. Obviously, I don't know this type of shoe, but it's a basketball sneaker. And like I said in the intro, it goes for resale, like a good resale price. So this is called Sabrina something. I don't know that word at all. I10 whatever Air Zoom. That's all I know. Like I said, I'll get the title. You'll see. Well, I'll see it. You'll see it based off the title. I don't know the name, but it's a long ass name. But like I said, it's an official basketball sneaker. If you look on the market, this sneaker goes for resale. It goes for a good amount of profit. So, good profit. It's just, I don't know why it goes for profit. People are really playing basketball in these. So, yeah. So, they dropped on Nike, I believe, the Nike app. And, yeah, it was limited because I ended up hitting, like, going for it the second time. I mean, like, I went for a size 10 or whatever, 11. And then it sold out. Then I was like, oh, let me kick a different size. I went straight for whatever size. 9.5 gone, 9 gone, 8.5 gone. I clicked on the size 8. It popped up. It says, congrats. Or whatever. I forgot what it says. But this is a men's shoe. Obviously, like I said, basketball. It's a size 8 men's converted to women's 9.5. It says Beyond right there. I'm showing you all the details because, like I said, there's people out there that want to see, but also is a fan that knows about this shoe, but people that don't know, and maybe you becoming a fan by watching this video. So that says Beyond right there. It says Own Space right there, if you can see it. And it has like this Thunderbolt arrow type of logo and all that. And I just realized in white font, like whatever it says, Creator Then. Right there in the white, you can't really see, but yeah. Nothing in the front. And there's really nothing else. So that's the box. This is that logo on the front again, the Thunderbolt. You can see it in the plastic. I don't know if you could see it, whatever. And there's no difference in the shoe, but this is how it looks right here. Like I said, Sabrina, I guess that's the colorway. Air Zoom or Nike Zoom, whatever you want to call it. But like I said, let me check. I really didn't look at both shoes. I don't think there's nothing different on any of it, because if there's no difference, then I won't show both shoes. I'll just do a thumbnail. Okay, there is a difference. Alright, we'll have to show that. Let me see. I just want to check it out myself. Like I said, you're looking at it right here. Nike, whatever. It says Nike Roast, React, East Coast, whatever. Nike React. I think that's what it says. Now, I'm confused because the difference is, why is the number 001 backwards on one shoe and forward on the other shoe, if that makes sense? 21. I realize the numbers is going, like on the left shoe, the numbers are facing me. But on the right shoe, the numbers are facing like the camera way, like there. But let me see the inside. It just says Own Space, like I said. For like basketball grip, shields. It does come with extra laces, these rope looking like string yellow laces. That also is the type of material it comes with the regular laces. Not your regular laces, like some type of, Twizzlers type of funny looking shoelaces. But yeah, obviously it's a basketball shoe officially, so it does have like basketball grip type of like You can't feel it. It's like rubber, like insoles. But, that's really it. Let me see the back. Nike, and then it says Beyond. So Beyond on this one, if you can see in the back, it says Beyond, like long way, whichever way it says it. But yeah, Beyond. So it says Beyond that way. You can see it in the gray, and this one just says Nike with their little logo incorporated into it. Like I said, this shoe is like all over the place, but resale is crazy on these. Like I said, the numbers are facing me. Like I said, if you look on the Nike up top with the 001, it's facing that way. But if you look at this one, you can see it's facing this way. So this one is facing the back like this way, and the bottom one is going that way. So that's the only difference in the shoe, really. Nothing else. I know I still didn't do a quick thumbnail, so let me just get that out the way. Yeah, so do a quick thumbnail. Just show the shoe like this, because for these unknown shoes, you get the thumbnail of this. Boom. So besides the thumbnail, the reason why I'm showing this shoe, not only because it's an interesting shoe, definitely looks like it has basketball grip to the fullest. Retail was, I think, 170, 185, something like that. But that's how the bottom looks. The reason why I'm also showing this is because I want everyone that's watching this to check resale. And why the hell is this selling for a resale price? Like, it's going for a large amount of resale. Like, it's crazy on the resale market. It's going for like $150 over retail. Who the hell is paying $300 for basketball sneakers? Like, it's not like you're getting fresh in these. You're literally putting this on to play ball. So the $300 you're spending on this, you could go spend half the money, $150, and just go buy a regular basketball sneaker inside the store. But I do know the stuff that is expensive, even if it's retail. Like if you bought Kobe's, if you bought LeBron's, I still don't know about like Kevin Durant's and everyone else's stuff. It probably still is about $200 retail, like close to $200. So I guess if you like these and they go for resale, people are buying them. But yeah, like I said, whoever's watching this video is definitely interested in this shoe, that knows about it. People that may look at it and say, hey, it's cool. I never thought they'll see a review on this, but I just thought it was interesting to do a review because resale market is pretty good on these. So if you have a pair, or if you see a pair in store, Nike store, wherever they may have these in the local stores, buy it because it definitely goes for a good amount on resale. Alright, so that's it for this video. Like I said in the previous video, but like I can't say that because I don't know which time frame people are watching my videos, but this channel is really about to take a new direction. But I'm still going to be doing fashion. I'm still going to be doing clothes. I'm still going to be talking about sneakers. It's going to be just on a different level. Alright? So, not too much I'm going to say about that. But if you're new, subscribe. You're on the way to 500 subs. So I appreciate everyone that is subscribing, that is watching, as well as like the video, comment. I respond to all comments. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my other channel as well. Don't forget. And follow me on Instagram. And then, until then, I'll see you guys in the next vid. And we out of here. Peace.